So recently, crypto prices have been relatively stable despite of the new inflation data being released. Now, if you're going to look at the general sentiment of the market, it seems like nothing much is happening. Now, if you're going to look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is currently hovering at around 58 to 59,000. And if you're going to look at Ethereum, all right, so for Ethereum, we have around $2,600. Let's look at Solana. Okay, for Solana, we are already at around $145. And let's check BNB. For BNB, we are already at around $526. So as what you can see, guys, let's go back to Bitcoin. It seems like nothing much is happening after they released the inflation data. Okay, as what you can see, prices are just hovering at around $59 to $58,000. But what's really going on behind the scene? Now let's try to break it down. Now, the latest inflation report shows that inflation has dropped to around 2.9%, and this is the lowest it's been since 2021, okay? And it is exactly what the Wall Street was expecting, but why is this significant? Now, let's discuss the following. With inflation decreasing, the Fed might decide to cut interest rates. Now, the lower interest rates can make borrowing cheaper, okay, which could lead to more people spending in different investments like crypto. Now, this is why investors are really paying close attention to this inflation data because it could signal a shift in the Fed's approach. Another one, the impact on crypto. Lower interest rates might have traditional investments like bonds less attractive. A weaker dollar, it's less attractive to investors. Now, it could lead more people to consider alternative investments like cryptocurrencies, okay? Because cryptocurrencies have higher returns. Another piece of news that we have here is for this one. This is from Yahoo Finance. According to this one, Goldman Sachs reported holding over $400 million in Bitcoin's ETF. Okay, that is the exchange traded funds for Q2. Okay, this means that big institutions are really getting more involved in cryptocurrencies, which can be a positive signal for the market. If you could remember in the past, they said that they are not believers in crypto. But look at what is happening right now, guys. Okay? They are holding over $400 million of Bitcoin ETFs. Last time in our previous videos, we also discussed that BlackRock is also adding more Bitcoin ETFs. Okay? Another investment institution like Mara are also planning to buy more Bitcoin. As what you can see, Goldman Sachs, BlackRock, Mara, they are investing more in Bitcoin nowadays. Now, when big institutions like BlackRock, okay, Goldman Sachs, Mara are investing in Bitcoin, now it could add a level of like confidence to the market, right? Now, this could attract more investors, both large and small, and potentially it could drive the prices higher. But again, if you're going to look at what is happening now in the general sentiment of the market here in the cryptocurrency world, it seems like it's not affected. It seems like it's not moving. It seems like the report has no effect to investors. And the question is, why? This is supposed to be a good news for most of the crypto investors. If you're going to look at the stock market heat map, as what you can see, they are already green, right? They took the news positively. But for cryptocurrency, overall, we are still red. And I don't know what is happening, to be honest. But here's the case. As what I've said, when big institutions are investing in cryptocurrency, BlackRock, Goldman Sachs, Mara, whales are buying more crypto. What I'm going to do is that I will be buying crypto as well. As what you can see here in my investment portfolio, I already bought Bitcoin at around these areas. I bought Bitcoin again at around these areas. I sold a few Bitcoin at around these areas. And again, I added more Bitcoin at around these areas. Okay? Because if big institutions are buying, then what are we doing, right? We should be buying Bitcoin as well because they know what is happening behind the curtain. I don't care if Bitcoin would go to around 57, 58, 56. I don't care about that. I will be buying more Bitcoin because big companies are buying Bitcoin, big institutions are buying Bitcoin, whales are investing into Bitcoin. So it would make sense that a small trader like me should be buying more Bitcoin as well. But again, let's remember that the crypto market could be unpredictable, okay? While signs are pointing for a potential growth, investors should always be informed and be prepared for any market shift. Okay? Let's always keep an eye on the Fed's decision. I guess that will be on September. And yeah, let's observe the market. So again, reminder, just trade with the amount of money that you're willing to lose. Trade at your own risk, okay? And also learn to cut your position when things go wrong. So yeah, that's it for now. Thank you so much again for watching. Please visit to our website, that's usethebitcoin.com, and at the same time, subscribe to our channel if you like this video. Until next time, guys, have a great day. Peace out.